Okay, here we go. I'm gonna use one old credit card or SIM tray. As you see, I can put this at the middle and you have to roll all over. You will hear some noise, and after that you can open this so much easily. Be careful, don't destroy. Here you have one speaker, and here you have one giant battery, big one, massive battery. Now you have to disconnect one by one all. Okay, to take this plastic out from the middle, it's connected to some place on the battery. Okay, this is, you see, this is one connector. We can pull this back to side and take this out. As you see, so much good. Okay, here we have one more. Same way you can apply, pull back to side, and you have some glue, some tape connected here and there. And take this out and try to move this. I move this from here, the battery connector. Okay, it's fine. Here this side you have one more connector. The same way, pull back, a push, take this out, is gone. Okay, all the connector I think I removed. Okay, now it's fine. The speaker is doing some problem. You can do something. Take this speaker from here as this, so you can remove the back cover from here. Now I want to take this whole plate out from the middle. I think I can do this. Here I have quick clip sort of thing. Can put as this, so the display will come out as this. I think here I have something. You have to be careful about it. Here too. Here I think some antenna or something. Here too. And here I have one screw. I can take this out as this, so it's not gonna disturb me. I put this one side, not so many screws. I think only one is here. I hope so. Okay, now let's see. Here at the middle I have one more joint connector. Take this out. Okay. Here this side too, and I can slide the display. Okay, but you can't take display out because the battery is connected with some glue at the middle. I want to take this out no matter what happened. Add some glue, I take this out, and here is the display. Okay, looks good, the display. Here is the connector of display, is fine. I take this display, I put one side. Here we go, the battery. Okay, we can't take the battery out because you see this is shouldered. Okay, and all other things. This is the main board. If you want, you can take this out too somehow. Okay, so here we go. We have one screw here. Gonna open this. Okay, check properly. You have any screw here and there or not. Okay, here is the main board, CPT, as you see. So this is gone. So this is how you can disassemble or unassemble your Commodore tablet. So this is so much easy, but be careful. You have to be careful. You could destroy your tablet. If you like this video, please do subscribe. If you have any question, leave me as a comment. I will try to answer you as much fast as possible. As always, for more information, go to the Ask Communication, www.askcommunication.com. Have a nice evening. Bye.